One, two, one, two.
Peel me a grape, crunch me some ice, give me a piece, say the fat for my pillow. Talk to me nice, talk to me nice. You got to rhyme me and die me. Don't try to fool me, bejewel me. Either don't lose me or lose me and get hungry. Peel me a grape. Pour me a coke, friends me a fry, crumb me and I bring a bowl full of bonbons. Show me some wine, instantly buy, just entertain me. Champagne me, show me you love me, keep love me, best what to tell me, cashmere me, and get a hungry. Feel me a grape. He's got to be an agreeable chap. Love me and leave me and load to this lap. Hop when I holler, skip when I snap. When I say it to it, time to it. Send up a scotch, bowl me a grub, cook me a roast meat, my teeth with the feathers. Just hang around, pick at the top, never fail me. Just make me fall where around me. Don't bore me, new thunder roar me. You hurt me and get hungry. Feel me a grape. He had to be an agreeable chap. Love me and leave me and load to this lap. Hop when I holler, skip when I snap. When I say it to it, don't do it. Send up a scotch, bowl me a crop, cook me a roast beef, my tea with the feathers. Just went around, pick at the top, never fail me. Just make me fall where around me. Don't bore me, new thunder roar me. You pour me and get a hungry. Feel me a grape. right. Call me and I'll bring a bowl full of bonbons. Show me some wine. Kiss the